Welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to be making today is a viewer's request, lobster salad. The viewer actually said anything lobster, so today I was thinking, well, what's so wonderful? We could make a lobster salad and you can have with any meal. You can have with your barbecue, or you can just take it with you to a staff party or a potluck. So let's get started. So not a lot of ingredients that goes into this delicious salad, but as you can see, we got 3 cups of cooked lobster, and this is at room temperature and cut into chunks. You could use canned lobster, you could use pollock, but right now this is room temperature and cooked. So we got 3 cups of the lobster. I'm going to put it to the side, and we got some cherry tomatoes, and I got all different colors and sizes. So if it's a large one, cut it into half or even quarters and put into your salad, and if you want to keep them in full, that's fine as well. So I'm just going to chop up about 10 or 15 of these and put that into our salad. So pretty much that's all I'm going to do there. I'm going to leave some of them full and then some done in quarters and halves. So I'm just going to toss that on into our salad. We're going to grate a medium onion, and if you don't want to use onion, you can use onion powder, and as well you just want it into little grates like this. And if you don't want to use onion at all, you could leave it out. So that's a medium or a small onion, and just toss that on in there. We're also going to be using green onion in this today, and that just builds those flavors. So now what I'm going to do is reach for my boiled eggs, and we're going to cut those up. So what I got here is 4 boiled eggs, hard boiled eggs, and they got to be nice and cold, and I'm going to cut them in quarters. You can leave them like that, or you can chop them. They're probably going to fall apart in the salad, but that's okay. So we're going to go like this, and we're going to do that with all 4 of them. And then we're going to make our sauce. So what I mean by sauce, really I'm talking about the dressing. So that's all we need for that. I'm going to put that on in there. So I hope you're following along and you're still interested in making this delicious lobster salad. So what I'm using now is 1/4 of a cup of relish, and I'm going to be using 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, or you could use mayo. We're going to be using about 1/2 teaspoonful of onion powder, same with pepper and sea salt. So we're going to add this now into the bowl. We're just going to toss this on into a bowl, and this is going to be for our dressing. Okay, so that's the Miracle Whip, and as well, like you said, you could use mayo. It's pretty much the same. Your 1/2 teaspoonful of sea salt, your 1/2 teaspoonful of onion powder, and the same with pepper. And then we're going to be using a drizzle of olive oil, and that it could be at your taste. So it could be a teaspoonful to a tablespoonful. And mix this around. So what we're going to do now is toss all of this into our salad, our lobster salad. It's not just any salad. And now we're going to chop up some celery and some green onion. So see how easy it is to make this lobster salad. So now what we got here, and I like to keep my green onion into a glass of water, and that way it keeps on growing. I'm just going to cut off the tips, and I got 1 stalk of celery, and I'm going to cut that up really small. So that's what we'll do next. So we're going to be using 2 stalks of green onion, and I'm just cutting it here with my kitchen shears, and leaving a little bit for garnish after you get it all put together. Just going to leave it like that, and now I'm going to cut up the celery into small pieces. Okay, so pretty much you cut it down the middle, and then again just to make 4 cuts like this. And there's only 1 stalk. You can have more if you want, because celery is so good for you, and it's good cooked or cold. So like I said, it's whatever your taste is. And I'm just going to put this on into the bowl. So pretty much all you're going to do now is just toss it all around to get equal amounts of dressing over all of your lobster salad. Now, like I was saying before, this lobster salad could be used with as an appetizer or as your main meal with a delicious barbecue. So I'm going to pour it now out into my platter. This salad smells absolutely amazing. I can't wait to have a taste. Now just look at all of this delicious lobster salad and the chunks of lobster and the chunks of egg. I just put a little bit of green onion over the top like this. And like I said, you could put as much or as less. And a little bit of dill over the top. Now this is it. As good as it gets. So then just put your green onion back into your water and let it grow. I'm going to put another little drizzle of olive oil over the top. Take off a little bit for myself. Tell you what it tastes like. Now just look at this. See, this is a feast fit for a king or a queen. And here it is now. Lobster salad. I can't wait to have a taste. Like I said, this smells absolutely delicious. The taste of the lobster, the crunch of the celery, and all of those flavors mixed in there. Delicious. 2 thumbs up by Bonita's Kitchen. Gonna have a little taste of water. Delicious. I hope you get to make this dish soon, and like you said, you can whip this up in no time. You just got to have your lobster pre-boiled, of course. And if you enjoyed this recipe and you'd like to see more of our delicious traditional, not traditional Newfoundland and Labrador recipes plus viewers requests, you can just subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell if you want to have a notification each time. And as well, we're going to provide the recipe in under the video. All you got to do is hit the little arrow that's pointing up, and it'll flip down and the recipe will open for you. You can also visit us on our Facebook page, send us a message on our website www.bonitaskitchen.com, or leave us a message on either one of those. We would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to like and share so you and your family can get to enjoy this recipe and all of our recipes. So from our kitchen to yours, thank you for joining us once again for this lobster salad. You have a wonderful day. Hi, Bonita here from Bonita's Kitchen. If you're visiting Newfoundland and Labrador, don't forget to check out some of the communities and towns surrounding that area. And right here in beautiful Brigus. And don't forget to join us again on Bonita's Kitchen. Journey and culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours.